there's our problem. John had 3 balls. He had given his cousin Sally 1 ball. How many balls does he have left in a fraction, and could you simplify it? So, John had 3 balls. There was 3 balls with him. And now he has 2 balls left. And you couldn't, that's the fraction. You couldn't simplify it because there's no number that can go into both of those numbers.
Okay, first, the steps to multiplication, which is set up the problem and start multiplying. There's not really much to it. So what you're going to do is 10 times 5. And if it really helps, do like your multiplications of 5 or whatever number you're going by. So 5 goes into 0, 0 times, so you're going to put down a 0. 5 goes into 1, 5 times, correct? So it will be 5. So the answer will be 50. So now to division. So steps to division, which is set up the problem, 2, break it down, 3, multiply, 4, subtract what you multiplied, 5, bring down the numbers that are left, and 6, repeat the steps 2 and 4. So we're going to show you the steps. Okay, so this is step 1, which is setting it up. Step 2 is breaking it down. So we're going to break it down 100 and break it down to 10. 3 is multiplying. So 2 goes into 10 5 times. So that will be 5. Put a 10, and you're going to subtract. That's one of the steps, is to subtract. So that would be 0. Also, bringing down your number, which is a 0, and that 0 goes up here. So to see that's the answer, getting ahead of myself, to check if it's correct, just multiply 2 and 50. So you just go right here and put 50 times 2. Now 2 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. So that will be 100, and 100 is what we got inside. So that's how you divide. Yay.
Today we'll talk about dilation. Scale factor, an amount in which the image grows or shrinks. Dilation, in which an image grows or shrinks but stays the same shape. We are going to work on a dilation today. This problem we are going to work on is a real world example. Carlita's optometrist dilates her pupils by a factor of 5/3. If a pupil before dilation had a diameter of 5 millimeters, find the new diameter after her pupil is dilated. We're going to highlight the main keywords.
The optometrist dilates her pupils by a factor of 5/3, so that's our scale factor. And you multiply that by the diameter of the pupil, and which is 5 millimeters. So 5/3 times 5 millimeters is, first we'll look for 5/3 equals 1.66, and then we multiply 1.66 times 5, which equals to 8.3. So A equals 8.3. So the new diameter of after her pupil, new diameter is 8.3 millimeters. So that's how you find dilation. You multiply the scale factor of the original size of the image, and you should get the new image's size. And thank you for watching this video of dilation. Hopefully you understand it better.
Solving Word Problems by Justin and Gabriel. Today, students have problems with solving word problems because they don't read it fully, think it out, or analyze it correctly. Here are some examples for words you should know. Per equals multiple, how much more equals take away, each equals division, mean equals average, median equals middle, mode equals most repeated, range equals high and low. And thank you for listening to our PowerPoint.
Fifth grade teachers were having a pizza party. Miss Miller ate 3/12 of a pizza. Miss Lopez ate 1/6 of a pizza. And Miss Rena ate 1/4 of a pizza. And Miss Knoll ate 2/6 of a pizza. Who ate the same amount as Miss Miller?
Hi guys, and I'm going to show you Pythagorean theorem. Yeah. Pythagorean theorem is a right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Square root is two numbers, same multiply. And this is called legs. These, because it's right angle. Here's your right angle. And this is your hypotenuse. So I have to explain hypotenuse.
Okay. So, what I do to help me have everything not messy is I put squares. And this is A squared, this is B squared, and you put both of them in there. And you're going to multiply 5 times 5.
Oh God, why it's in there?
25. So, and then 12 times 12, which is 144, but you don't know your hypotenuse, so you're going to leave that blank. And then you're going to add these two, and you're still not going to know it, so you use the number right here. And then once you add this, you got to find the square root of it. And when the square root is like you multiply two numbers and you get the answer. And I multiplied 13, and I got 169, and so 13 was my answer. And that is how you do Pythagorean theorem.
We've not yet lost all our graces.
Caleb, what do you really think area means?
I think area means the inside of a shape. So Lada, what do you think is the easiest way to find the area of a shape?
I think the easiest way to find the area of a shape is to just look in the formula chart. Or ask the teacher!
Okay, example of area is, the formula for area is height times width, and W equals width, and H equals height. To find the area, you need to multiply the width times height, which is 5 as the width, and 3 as the height. So 5 times 3 is 15, and you have to square it because it's a area.
Caleb's mad at me. I won't.